Okay, can I do better with the black piece today if I'm getting black now? So it's not bad, I think, being an IM and GM. So far 2 out of 4. So the GM just pressed too hard, giving me the winning outside H pawn in that game. It's always nice to win though. Whatever. Okay, maybe Sicilian or something. Although everyone's playing anti-Sicilians, that's the problem. Maybe Sveshnikov. Okay. Oh, what is this time delay? It's just opening theory. So Rellstab. It's all theory, Sveshnikov theory. Except now I've forgotten what to do. Maybe F5 or Bishop G7. B5. B5, of course, first. But now, all right. So does he know this territory, or is he making this up for the first time? Play F5 here. Yeah, I'm not sure this is a great line for white. This piece, that line, but I've forgotten why. Was it Rook A4 or something? Rook A4. Rook A4. I'm gonna try Rook A4. I'll try Rook A4. This should probably be a disaster, isn't it? So knight takes B4 here. Is that terrible? There's something like C3. If I just sack the exchange, rook takes B4. I played this wrong. So, ultra short position. So he's just playing the castling. Let's play rook. If I just play rook B7 here, where does knight go? A6. Maybe carry on development, bishop G7 or rook G8 to play queen G5. Rook G8 and queen G5 seem good. I'm going to get smothered and mated or something. If I play rook C7, queen F7, knight E7, knight F6 is king C6. Is there anything safer? At this point, oh dear. It's not knight F6, is it? Is it a draw by perpetual with knight F6? Yeah, he could go for a draw. Yeah. Well, unless I sack my queen, I think I'll have to accept. Oh, strange game. Okay, draw. Let's have a quick look. If anyone knows the theory on that, I've completely forgotten actually this piece set line. It's a bit of a shame. It's kind of and I thought this was going to be okay. This, but then queen H5 is always dangerous here. So that forces a draw. Okay. Yeah. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much. At least I didn't lose with black this time anyway. Okay. Horribly, you know.